listening to RMG Talks. Personal injury leaders in Georgia Medical.
How Regional Medical Group is evolving during the stay-at-home order and the COVID-19 pandemic. Are virtual doctor's appointments on the rise? The COVID-19 pandemic continues to have a significant impact on our society as a whole. As experts encourage us to limit viral spread, there is a considerable emphasis on social distancing. What does social distancing do? By reducing the amount of contact we have with other people, we limit the chance of catching a disease. These precautions are necessary because not all individuals experience the symptoms of a disease. If they don't exhibit any problems, they don't know that their mere presence is putting other people at risk. Since no one has the resources to test everyone, the solution is that we limit unnecessary contact with others for the time being. While the ideal scenario would involve everyone just staying home for a bit, this isn't practical. The world can't merely stop. Things need to go on for society to function. While they still need to stay active, many essential businesses, like Regional Medical Group, are finding ways to adapt to the current situation. For one, Regional Medical Group is taking advantage of the stay-at-home order and introducing innovative ways like telemedicine, a personal injury virtual webinar, and now a podcast for their patients and partners to connect with them all from the comfort of their home. How are medical professionals reacting? Just because COVID-19 is floating around doesn't mean that your back pain, whiplash, or herniated disc just goes away. While you should try to limit yourself from going out to social events or meeting with large groups of friends, you shouldn't neglect your other medical needs. That doesn't mean you should give up and forgo pain management altogether. But what if you didn't have to go to the doctor to receive a medical consultation physically? Believe it or not, this was always an option, even before the COVID-19 pandemic. Introducing telemedicine. Telemedicine is a broad term that refers to remote medical advice. Nowadays, telemedicine usually involves a video call with a licensed doctor, all from the comfort of your home. By taking advantage of technological advancements and popular gadgets, this portal offers an excellent solution for getting reliable medical consultations without breaking social distancing measures. Virtual doctor visits are practical. Think of how many times you drove all the way to your clinic just to be in and out of an appointment after a couple of minutes. Many times these quick assessments could have been done over the phone in the first place, saving effort on both ends. Of course, these are not the perfect substitution for doctor's appointments, but there is always the option to come into the clinic in person if the physician believes it's an emergency. How to access Regional Medical Group's telemedicine portal. We designed our portal with the user's experience in mind. We understand that technology is not for everyone, but that doesn't mean that your tech skills should prevent you from benefiting from telemedicine. We are here to help all of our new or existing patients and developed a telemedicine tool to be as easy as possible. All you have to do is follow 3 simple steps. 1. Call 404-620-2026. Both existing patients and new patients qualify to access one of RMG's trusted doctors. 2. Access a HIPAA-compliant portal. Eligible patients can easily connect with a trusted doctor by clicking a simple link. 3. Schedule your doctor's appointment. Patients can schedule a time and date to speak with a trusted RMG doctor. These easy-to-follow steps will help bring you one step closer to medical consultations of the future. Is telemedicine here to stay? While the COVID-19 pandemic may have been one of the more prominent factors bringing attention to telemedicine, many expect that the portals are here to stay. Telemedicine offers an incredibly convenient service that both patients and doctors can benefit from, no matter the current situation. We should just consider telemedicine a step towards the future. Technology has given us the ability to optimize our medical institutions, and we shouldn't ignore it. Remember, telemedicine is not a replacement for traditional doctors. It is merely a tool to help innovate a very strained industry. No one expects the transition to be easy for everyone, and we will be there to help you every step of the way. If you need help getting into contact with accident doctors, we at Regional Medical Group are here to help you every step of the way. You're invited to join our personal injury virtual webinar. In other news, Regional Medical Group is hosting a free personal injury virtual webinar in place of their personal injury networking event tour, launched earlier this year, to stay connected during these uncertain times. This complimentary networking event will take place online, only at rmgwebinar.com, and will feature Carmen Baker, COO of RMG, and Hugo Diaviles, Technology Officer of RM Innovative, as hosts. Carmen Baker and Hugo Diaviles lead the webinar and discuss RMG's new online strategies implemented during the COVID-19 pandemic that medical professionals like doctors and chiropractors or attorneys and lawyers in the personal injury space can utilize themselves. This webinar also covers best practices and examples of how professionals in this field can build collaborative referral networks with medical clinics like Regional Medical Group to benefit their businesses online. The following statement is by Dr. Mark Schweiger, CEO of Regional Medical Group. Quote, "Our webinar hosts are excited to share with you how Regional Medical Group is changing the landscape for attorneys and medical professionals in the personal injury space. On the call, we are going to inform you of the new and exciting medical enhancements we are now offering our patients that can add tremendous value to case strategies." End quote. Our webinar focuses on three main topics. Benefits. Learn how we can best help your clients. Featured. Offerings unique to case management. Learn. Strategies to help improve patient care. Those interested in attending the webinar can reserve their virtual seat by registering here at https://rmgwebinar.com. Now streaming. RMG Talks. And lastly, Regional Medical Group is launching a new podcast series called RMG Talks as a way to connect with our audience at home during these uncertain times. RMG Talks is a personal injury medical and law informational podcast channel that offers next-level entertainment and business news to its listeners. Hosted by our RMG team, we are now streaming on all major listening platforms. To listen, visit regionalmedicalgroup.com for more information.